UC San Diego scientists are using some new technology to capture images of California to better understand the impacts wildfires and major weather events have on our state.
And ABC 10 News meteorologist Leah Pizzetti is joining us now to show us how this is done and why it's so important. Leah?
Kimberly and Derek, I've introduced you to the Alert Wildfire camera system before. This is a project UCSD has been spearheading that helps first responders monitor wildfires using cameras around the state to see when they start immediately once they start. Now their monitoring is progressing and they're using new tools to continue to keep track of our state.
Every year we're getting the largest fire ever, and the conditions, the extreme climate we're in does not, promise that these droughts are going to end anytime soon.
With wildfire impacts continuously growing, UC San Diego professor Neil Driscoll says now is the time to document exactly what's going on in California.
We want to use our technology wisely so that we characterize the change. We can start making better models of burn behavior and erosion of these burn scours and revegetation.
So he and his team are flying an aircraft overhead and using LiDAR data to document the topography of the state right now.
It gets a return from the top of the trees, the canopy, and it gets a return from the forest floor. So we can actually estimate quantitatively the biomass.
Now they're wrapping up phase 1, mapping the Sierras. Phases 2 and 3 will map the coast, then Northern California, with a goal of finishing the mapping by the start of fire season next year.
This is really critical. This is our baseline, so we can start studying and using these data to better understand wildfire behavior, better understand recovery.
This sets that baseline, so after major fires or weather events, they can go back and look at what changed.
We're really trying to understand the three legs of the stool: pre-fire, during fire, sin-fire, and post-fire. And how does that impact the landscapes, biohabitats, as well as water and air quality?
Giving a better understanding of how natural disasters change the state. Right now, planes are responsible for gathering this big picture baseline. In the future, though, drones will be able to fly over smaller areas to take a look at any changes.